Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on the financial impact of first call resolution in call centers. Today, we'll uncover how improving FCR not only reduces operational costs, but also drives revenue growth and builds long-term profitability. From lowering repeat call expenses to enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty to protecting revenue through better service, FCR proves to be more than just an efficiency metric. It's a powerful lever that directly connects frontline performance to bottom-line results. Let's explore how cost savings, revenue gains, and strategic advantages make FCR a game-changer for modern contact centers. One of the most immediate financial impacts of first call resolution comes from cost savings. Every repeat call consumes valuable resources, agent time, telecom charges, and operational overhead. When call volumes are higher than necessary, labor costs naturally rise. Let's put this into perspective. If the average cost per call is $5 and your contact center receives 1,000 repeat calls in a month, that alone adds up to $5,000 in avoidable expenses. By improving first call resolution by just 20%, you eliminate 200 of those repeat calls, saving $1,000 each month. That's a direct annual saving of $12,000, achieved simply by solving issues right the first time. This is why FCR is not just a customer experience metric, it's a cost optimization engine that protects margins and strengthens operational efficiency. Beyond cost savings, strong first call resolution drives significant operational efficiency. When more issues are resolved on the very first contact, agents spend less time handling repeat interactions and more time addressing unique customer needs. This reduces overall workload pressure and minimizes the reliance on costly overtime staffing. High FCR also leads to smarter workforce utilization. With fewer repeat calls inflating volumes, call demand becomes more predictable. That stability lowers occupancy stress, giving agents the breathing room to perform at their best without constant overload. The ripple effect is powerful: reduced burnout, lower attrition, and less expense on hiring and training replacements. In short, improving FCR creates a leaner, more resilient operation where efficiency and employee well-being work hand in hand. First call resolution also plays a direct role in meeting service level agreements. In outsourced or BPO environments, every breach of SLA can trigger costly financial penalties. By improving FCR, repeat interactions decline and service levels are met more consistently, shielding the business from avoidable fines. For in-house contact centers, the benefit goes beyond penalties. Consistent SLA compliance strengthens brand reputation. Customers experience faster, more reliable service, which translates into higher trust and loyalty. Over time, this protects long-term revenue streams by reducing churn and increasing lifetime value. In both models, FCR is not only a performance safeguard, it's a financial shield that defends profitability and customer confidence. First call resolution isn't just about saving costs, it's a powerful driver of revenue protection and growth. When customers get their issues resolved quickly and in a single interaction, satisfaction scores and net promoter scores rise. This leads to stronger loyalty, reduced churn, and ultimately, higher customer lifetime value. But the benefits don't stop there. Satisfied customers are more receptive to product recommendations, making cross-selling and upselling efforts far more effective. A positive first call experience builds trust, which directly translates into additional sales opportunities. Consider this example: if improved FCR reduces customer churn by just 5%, and the average customer lifetime value is $200, retaining 500 customers protects $100,000 in annual revenue. That's the real impact of FCR. It doesn't just cut costs, it actively fuels growth and strengthens long-term profitability. Another hidden but significant advantage of strong first call resolution is its impact on training and recruitment costs. High FCR reduces customer frustration, which in turn lowers agent stress and burnout. When agents feel more effective and less overwhelmed, attrition rates fall, saving the organization from the high expenses of constant rehiring and retraining. There's also a clear benefit in onboarding efficiency. With fewer repeat calls inflating queues, new agents can focus on resolving unique issues. This accelerates their learning curve and helps them reach performance targets faster, maximizing return on training investment. In essence, improving FCR doesn't just create happier customers, it creates more confident, stable teams and translates directly into measurable savings in workforce development. Finally, first call resolution has a profound impact on customer effort and brand reputation. When issues are resolved on the very first contact, customers experience seamless, positive interactions. This not only improves satisfaction but also lowers the costs associated with complaint handling and recovery efforts. On the other hand, low FCR creates friction. Customers who have to call back multiple times often escalate their frustration, sometimes taking it to social media. The result? Higher reputation management expenses, potential brand damage, and even lost sales opportunities. In today's experience-driven market, protecting your brand is as important as protecting your bottom line. High FCR ensures that every interaction reinforces trust, strengthens loyalty, and positions your organization as customer first. Let's bring the financial impact of first call resolution to life with a real example. Imagine a contact center operating at an FCR rate of 65%. In this scenario, they face 2,000 repeat calls per month. At an average cost of $5 per call, that's a significant and unnecessary expense. On top of this, they incur $2,500 each month in SLA penalties and $10,000 in lost revenue due to customer churn. Now, let's see what happens when FCR improves to 85%. Repeat calls drop to just 800 per month, saving 1,200 calls, or $6,000 every month. SLA penalties shrink to $500, saving another $2,000. Customer churn losses fall sharply, from $10,000 to just $4,000, protecting an additional $6,000 in revenue. When you put it all together, the contact center achieves $14,000 in monthly savings, that's $168,000 protected annually. This example makes it clear, improving first call resolution isn't just a performance boost, it's a financial transformation. Beyond immediate savings and efficiency, first call resolution creates powerful long-term strategic benefits. Customers who consistently experience quick, effective resolutions are more satisfied, more loyal, and more likely to recommend your brand. This directly increases customer lifetime value. Customers spend more, stay longer, and bring others with them. At the same time, efficient resolutions lower the overall cost per contact. When fewer repeat calls are required, the total support cost for each customer decreases, creating a leaner and more profitable service model. Perhaps most importantly, high FCR drives revenue stability. Strong customer retention ensures recurring revenue streams remain protected, giving the business predictability and resilience in a competitive marketplace. In essence, improving FCR isn't just about short-term gains, it's an investment in lasting growth, stronger customer relationships, and long-term profitability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.